will be in the corners. Yeah, Ankalo Jampana, he's also played the Yuva Kabaddi season. The NTRs, the ANRs, everybody's district is Krishna. The day two in their first match because the
कोच है, क्योंकि
अरे बाप
बहुत
रे।
सारी बात आप भी सिखाते हैं प्लेयर्स को और हम सभी
Yeah.
कमेंटेटर्स को भी।
नहीं, मैं हमेशा वही बोलता हूँ। मैं ये I don't take it from the Gita or whatever, but that's the first bonus attempt.
झुकते हैं और शायद हाथों से टो टच किया है और बात करेंगे पोटला गोपीचंद की। यहाँ पर निश्चित रूप से
Yeah, that's a problem there. Look at that left corner going in, and Kareti, Samba Sivarao, and also the right 5 defenders. Yeah, bonus is on if it's only 6 or more, 6 or 7. Nice diving ankle hold from that right corner.
और मैच बिल्कुल रोमांचक अंदाज में शुरू हुआ है और कोई भी टीम एक दूसरे को गैप नहीं दे रही है, पर यहाँ पर
Gura Karthik, yeah. Dangling leg.
डैंगलिंग लेग, दोनों पैर डैंगल कर रहे थे।
Yeah. Oh, there was a nice dangle, but then the dangle has been clogged into a tongue. But then a very scattered defense. First Ankalo Jampana, but then Karthik and everybody, but more importantly Karmala Dinesh's both leg pull. That's what happened. Get that bonus. Brilliant work. And Potla now charges up, Navneet, and I'm waiting for that family name to come out from you. But then as he got 2 points.
The name is
Family name which he fights for, but Harish Gade once again does not stand up to the fight that came in from Potla. The bonus is open. He can run in. He's also attacked Ankalo Jampana twice before this, but no! Right corner comes in so strongly. It's our Indian greens. Oh, 2 points! Some rub of the green here going to the mountain. Konda also means mountain. Giri also means mountain. And see, 2 bonus points and 1 touch point. That's it. And he says enough is. Yeah, what a player. First knee injury. Turn the pages around, Navneet. Now he can go back for more. He can definitely go back for a touch. You cannot do that. The lobbies are not activated. Lakshma Reddy tries to jump away from that double ankle hold. That is his strength. Raider left on the mat. Watch out time for the Amravati Crushers. They can go out there. All right, look at this for a raid. Pavan. Krishna defenders. They have the defenders in their name. But the defense points is rare to come by. But this is one. Good work. Oh my God. Navneet, what just happened? NTR, both of them, big stout.
आना भी बहुत जरूरी होता है और कृष्णा डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बात हम कर रहे थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर देखिए धर करके दबोचा गया है।
Sitaramudu immediately. He shouldn't have gone to the lobby. And Potla Gopichan, has he gone out of the lobby fully? Yeah, read it out. It's a super tackle. Samba Sivarao finally disbalances.
Number one, please.
Potla
Jersey number 8.
completely out, Navneet. Watch this. First attempts on the right corner, the right flank, and then Samba Sivarao comes in. Has he taken his leg off? Potla. There. That's the place he took his leg off. He's completely out of the lobby.
ये अगेन यूनिक नेम्स होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस यूनिक है। क्या वहां पर क्रॉस मुंह लगा पर आप खा नहीं पाए, वैसा ही कुछ हुआ और यहाँ पर निश्चित रूप से खाया है।
That is safe. 2 points. Amravati Crushers.
Oh my God. He's got the Super 10. Congratulations. Championship 2025 as Pakam Sudhir comes along. Yeah, Krishna defenders. That is the problem with the Krishna defenders. Even until now, Lakshma Reddy can do what he does best.
ये कृष्णा डिफेंडर्स, एक खिलाड़ी जो अंदर तक अटैक करने के लिए रेडी है, उसको आप एडवांस टैकल बार
Not done well at all. And even now, watch out, Navneet. The defense needs to let Gopichan loose. But then again, they go to is the captain of Amravati Crushers. He's definitely crushed the defense in this raid. Brilliant. Raid of the tournament for me until now.
Sequence, sir.
Gopichan, who manages the movement of the defense, who manages the raiding front, and look at how deep he goes. It's a super tackle situation. And then he's been tackled for the second time. Brilliant work. Enough, boys. That's fine. The Raiders given up.
2 points.
Yeah. No, the way he said super tackle. Yeah, Malik Arjun needed that. And also, I understand why that effort from the umpire, because it's Potla Gopichan. Because it's the big man now needs to spend some time on the bench. To understand, it's more than 9.5 minutes left, so you just don't. Oh, well, can they? No, they can't.
Safe.
जी हाँ,
The
मछली
ankle hold was very strong, Navneet. And a Kamal moment definitely for the escape, what he showed. One revival. Even now, there's a chance of a super tackle situation. And Potla Gopichan wants to somehow take a point out of that.
Wait.
This happens. And this match has, I think, slipped away from the Krishna defenders, Navneet. It's very, very unlikely. They need to make sure the score difference stays 7 or within that. Oh, well, he was blinded, but then
Runner safe.
okay, remember, they need to still score 8 points, Krishna defenders. And now that's a good start. You put out Potla Gopichand on the bench. Oh, M. Suman. He should be concentrating on the defense. Oh, well. That's a nice whirl kick. And a tumble to escape. And that strong-chested man. Look at this. Like a flubber. He just escaped. The coach of Amravati Crushers should not be bothered too much because his team has done well. And Lakshmar. Oh well. And Suman now, Navneet. Gets this victory. Yeah, that's it. Match over. If you only look at those numbers, the tackle points got better